It's Lexi back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing Laura Lee's products. This is from her Laura Lee Los Angeles brand, and this is from her NKLA and Colourpop collab. They're both eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using them both today. So, I already have my eyebrows and my face base done. All of that is done. The only thing I have to do is my eyes. So, let's jump into the video. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Okie Dokie as a base color. Next, I'm going to go in with Bomb Diggity as a transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade Glitz. It is a stained eyeshadow, and I'm just using it to give it a little bit more warmth. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Kooky, and I'm going to put it in the outer corners of my eye to give it a little bit more depth. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Ritz on my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Scatterbrain and put it on the inner corner of my eye and on my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Glitz again and put it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to go in with the shade Kooky again and darken up my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to blend it together and make sure there's no harsh lines, and I'll be right back after I put on some mascara. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just put on a little bit of mascara. I really like these shadows. I'm not really liking how this lighting is making my eyes look, because it's making it look really subtle and basic when it's really not. It's really not like that basic. It's just making it look like it, because I did use a lot of dark colors like that one, and I went into Kooky down here, and I went in really heavy with this. So let me turn off this light. I mean, it does look a little darker. The shimmery shades, these are showing up, I think they're really pretty. They're showing up really nice. I use both of these palettes. Starting with the Colourpop NKLA collab. I really liked these colors. This one would have to be my favorite, and this one is Ritz, and it's a metallic shadow. It's really creamy, really pretty. It's more of just like glitter. I think it's really pretty. Like, that's really cute. Another one I like is the other metallic color in here, and I didn't use it today, but it's also really pretty. It's more of a rose gold color, more of a pinky tone, and it's really cute too. Doesn't have as much glitter as Ritz, but it's still pretty. I did use this color called Glitz. It's a stained eyeshadow. It's really smooth and really soft, and it is super pretty, not patchy at all. And I didn't use this. No, I did use this one. I used it a little bit in the corner, and it's a little bit darker. I used it in the outer corner, so it's really pretty. Some other ones that I used in her actual palette were as a base color, I went in with Okie Dokie, and it's just like a white color that I use. It's more of just a color that you can start off with. I did go into Bomb Diggity as a transition shade. This one's pretty too. It's more just like a basic color. Also went in with Kooky, and this is another dark color that I tried to use. It kind of almost looks the same as this one from her NKLA. And my favorite out of this palette is Scatterbrain. It does have a little bit of fallout, but the pigmentation is crazy. Like, that is blinding. That is so pretty. That is like so blinding. I love it so much. These, all I have to say about Laura Lee is she did really good with her stuff. The NKLA was $18 for this pack of 4, for these little packs of 4 eyeshadows that come with a lot in the pan. Like, it's quite a bit. You get a lot. And the palette is really pretty. I think it's really pretty. You'll see my light up there and my name on my wall. But I think these colors are really pretty too. This palette was $40. Honestly, I think if you already have a basic burgundy palette, I don't know if you would necessarily need this palette. If you want to support Laura Lee, I think it's cool. It's a really good palette. She did a wonderful job. But I don't think it's like a need. It's not very like diverse or creative like the Jaclyn Hill palette. But it is really pretty. The shades are really pretty in it. As you can tell, I really like Scatterbrain. But if you do want a cheaper one that's also by Laura Lee, this one comes with a lot of, it comes with basically the same color scheme as her Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. It's just cheaper. And I honestly feel like the shadows in these are a lot softer than the ones in her palette. These ones are really nice. And what I do like about this collab is that all of the money goes to save puppies and kittens, and I just think it's a wonderful thing because I love animals. So why not save animals and love makeup? I mean, I just think this was a really good thing. This is really good. I love these shadows. So, on that note, this palette is really good. I don't think it's really necessary if you have a burgundy shades already that you like to work with. I don't think it's something you should go out and spend your money on like, oh, I need this. But it is a really pretty palette. And the Colourpop ones, I think that they are a little better in quality. I just think they feel a little bit nicer. So, yeah. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Laura Lee Los Angeles collab with Colourpop and her new palette that just came out not too long ago. Turn on my post notifications and give this a thumbs up.